Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a fancy new setup and I'm actually talking to a camera, not my phone for once. Anyway, today I'm going to be going over how to make a long distance relationship work. I say this because I'm currently in one and she watched my videos, so hey! So here's 10 tips on how to make a long distance relationship work. Stick with me. Okay, so the first tip is to text every day. You need to talk every day, even if it's just like saying, hi, I miss you, I love you. But ultimately, you want to treat her like she's your best friend. Or like they're your best friend. I don't know your sexual preference. But I'm also saying this just from a teenager standpoint, for teen love, summer love, whatever. Please make sure you talk to them every day. If you don't talk to them every day, you'll distance yourself from them and it won't be as good of a relationship anymore. Number 2 is to call them whenever you can. If you have free time, if they have free time, call them, okay? They're going to appreciate, you're going to appreciate. The closest you're going to get if you don't live like next door or a few streets away or in the same town. And this will tie into the next tip, which is do virtual dates. So I know probably thinking, what's a virtual date? Well, a virtual date is like when you video call and you have a date. Like if you screen share like a movie while you're in a video call with them, then that's technically a movie date. If you can't have them right next to you, it's technically a movie date. Another one would be just like a dinner date where you both have like the same dinner and you're in video call and you're eating it together and asking each other questions and stuff. That's how you do virtual dates, and my girlfriend and I are actually planning one tonight. And this is the 17th of July by the time I'm filming this. I don't know when it's going up. It could go up tomorrow. It could be going up in a few weeks. I don't know. Try to meet up often, and I'm not saying like every week. I'm saying like every few months at max. We're planning a day, me and my partner, we're planning a day to see each other this summer since we have time and we just have to work out the kinks, and then we'll be able to see each other and I'll be vlogging with her and probably doing a girlfriend tag or whatever. Yeah. Another thing that you could do is you could send wholesome memes, you know, like those accounts where it's like wholesome memes, it's about love and stuff. Do that. It makes my day every time she does it, and I make her day every time I do it. Also, this isn't on my page here, but send pictures of yourself, like selfies and stuff of like when you're talking to them to show that you are actually happy, since they can't see your physical expression when they're talking to you. Also, you need to be understanding. This is tip number 6. Anyway, be understanding. Like, be understanding of their problems. If they need to talk to you about something, always be right there to talk to them. Tip number 7 is, if you argue, because all couples are going to argue, try to stay calm and work it out reasonably and civilly. Like, don't just be like, I hate you, this is the end of a relationship. No, don't do that. That is like acting like a child. No, civil argument would be like, well, I don't like this because of this, but maybe we could work our way around it. Okay? Tip number 8 is to introduce them to your friend group. Just in general, introduce them to your friend group, and that way they're like, they know you're not hiding them, they know you're actually like dating. Because a lot of people have doubts, they're like, oh, okay, we're dating online, but am I your actual like partner? Tip number 9 is to let your parents know about the relationship if you're comfortable. My mom knows, her mom knows, and it just makes things like 10 times easier. Like, we have a problem, we go to them. If we have something funny going on, we go to them and they put a smile on your face. As long as like your parents are understanding and stuff. Like, my grandparents would totally not be understanding. But if your family is understanding, please, by all means, do it. Tell your parents, tell your family. And the last tip is to have fun. Always have fun in a relationship. Joke around. See if you have common interests. And just have fun in general. Yeah. So thank you guys. That is the end of this video. Make sure to check out my other social medias. Give this video a like if you liked it. And subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload every week on Thursday. I may be improving that later on, but I'll be trying to upload every Thursday. Anyways, bye!